Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.
So I'm going to tell you about how we're using these herbal lays to tackle climate change. So in agriculture, farmers use quite a lot of the synthetic fertiliser to promote their grass growth and increase the yield of their farm. Synthetic fertilisers are actually quite bad for the environment because they produce the greenhouse gas nitrous oxide, and that's 298 times more powerful than the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide, CO2. And synthetic fertilisers are really expensive for farmers as well, so it's bad for the environment and it's bad for the farmer. So one of the things that we're looking at in this herbal lays is using clovers to reduce the amount of synthetic fertilisers that are actually needed and naturally fix that nitrogen from the atmosphere in the soil and reduce the amount of fertilisers that the farmer needs. So it reduces cost, it's better for the environment, it sucks down that greenhouse gas, nitrous oxide from the atmosphere. So it's overall helping us tackle climate change. It's fantastic for the environment and it's really good for livestock production in the UK. So we think that sheep grazing these herbal lays produce less nitrogen in their urine. And then that nitrogen in their urine is really important because that produces greenhouse gas nitrous oxide. So what we do, we collect the sheep from the field, we put them in these pens, and then we can collect their urine and then we can analyse that to see if we're right.